Think about this. What good is it to look good when you really don't feel good and you're really not doing good from the inside out because of poor diet and exercise choices? A lot of us have come up in a society that push so much of the looking good without putting enough emphasis on the healthy aspect of it. Good nutrition as well as proper exercises. Well, I am here to change all of that, one workout and one recipe at a time. Today, you guys, we are going to be doing some cardio, followed up with some strength training, focusing on our abs and our legs. And for the nutrition part, check out my description where I will leave you some links to some recipes that are simple, easy, delicious, and so nutritious. And if you've not yet joined the Get Fit with Deborah community and you like what you see here and it feels good to be in this place, please do remember to hit that subscribe button below. It goes so far in support of this channel, you guys, and I want to thank you for the same. So you guys, I may not have the six pack or the cellulite-free legs, but I will tell you, I am healthy, I am strong, I'm energized, I am vibrant in my 60 plus years of age. And that's exactly how I feel we all should be, just as long as we continue to show up for us and put the emphasis on the right things. So you guys, without further ado, let's get right into our cardio. All right, you guys, bring me that brisk walk. And as always, the prompt for the next move you find up there on the screen. You ready to step it out left and right? And of course, at any time, if you can't do any of the moves, just bring it back to the march. Just keep it moving. So glad you guys are here joining us today. Matter of fact, leave in the comments to let me know where you're joining us from. Get ready for some knee lifts. Showing these core muscles some love. The lyrics of this song, I just want to dance, walk, skip, run. Just get your cardio in, you guys. I call this the cheerleader. Just a simple B step. One more. And another important thing you guys to remember is breathe. Let's ski. Want to make sure we're taking in the proper oxygen when we exercise. So talk to me. Let me know how you're feeling. And that's also a breath test too. If you can't get the words out, you're working too hard. Bring it down a notch or two. Don't want you guys passing out on the floor, okay? Get down. Okay, what's he saying here? Get down. All right. Some crab walks. Yes. Down. Excellent work. Keep the march, change your arms. Yeah. Reverse arms. Left side only, front and back leg. And what's great about this one is that right leg is supporting you, so it's working too. Get down. Get down. And get ready for the right side. For those abs, you guys, ab check. And 4, 3, 2, 1, march it out. Get ready to pull the left knee in. Once again, slight bend, and that supporting leg. Abs in. And 4, 3, and take it to the right. Yes. All right, you guys, the strength section is coming up. Excellent work. Feet turn out. 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock. That's where these feet are in this lunge. We're gonna be here for a little bit before I change it up. Then, through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay, we're gonna change it up, you guys. Lunge, squat, lunge, squat. See that? A subtle change. Just take a little pause break in the center before we go to the opposite side. Woo! And it's working. All right, you guys, get ready to change. Stay in the center. Pulse. Woo! The burn is real, but it's the kind of burn I love, you guys. Whew, so stay with it. Even if you stand up for a second and go back into it, you do that too. Walking in, you guys. to the abs. Nice work. Four, three, two, one. Rotate, crunch. Rotate and crunch. You got it. It's like bending these knees. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach it, right and left. Zip it up, zip it up. You got it. Remember, these knees are soft. Do not lock them. And 4, 3, 2, 1. We want to punch it out. Think about what you're punching away, you guys, when you're doing this. All the negative things in your life. And replacing them with healthy things. And one of those healthy things is being part of this Get Fit with Deborah community. Excellent work, you guys. High five. I tell you, that was awesome. Cardio, strength training in a matter of about 11 minutes. I am feeling awesome. The sweat is coming down. I feel energized. I feel strong. I am ready to take on the next. And I hope you are too. I'm so glad that you guys were here with us today. Remember, you guys, exercise is only part of the equation. Make sure you hydrate and eat healthy, nutrient-rich foods. And remember to check it out in my description. As always, you guys, as I always leave each and every one of my workouts and my food videos, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And I want to thank you all for joining us. And I'll see you right here real soon.